Daniel from a band called Dark Unity. You've probably never heard of the band, mostly because we suck, but also because this is basically one of our first videos, I think. So yeah, so what this channel is all about is music, but because we're amazing, we thought we'd shake it up a bit, and we're going to be doing challenges and vlogs and stuff. That was mainly because we thought people were going to get bored of music and stuff. We will never get bored of music. Music is amazing, but just in case you're not really a fan of music, we thought we'd give you some stuff like gameplay and fun stuff that you'll enjoy. So just get ready for all that. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, guys.